Seems like as we get into late summer and early fall, one of the things that we let fall by the wayside is getting our health checked, and it's very important that you do that. You want to pay close attention to these next two gentlemen. They're going to be telling you what they've got to offer and why. Ladarius Price is here, and Ladarius is with SIMPA, which is formerly
Chattanooga Cares. Yes, sir.
Hold that thought. We're going to get to more on that. And the gentleman over here on the end, is Chris Ramsey. And Chris, you're the event organizer for this.
Correct.
Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
All right, tell me about this event. There's a whole, literally, almost a full-page listing of things that you're going to be able to get screened about as far as the healthcare is concerned. Why are you putting this together? What's the situation?
Chip, there was a couple organizations, male fraternities, Kappa Alpha Psi and Omega Psi Phi fraternity,
Right.
started this event 16 years ago, and mainly to address prostate cancer for African American men. Since that time, we've added Delta Sigma Theta sorority, and this year we're in our 16th year. Last year we had over 5,000 attendees.
Wow.
We had 125 health vendors doing both educational and screening. So you mentioned all of the list of services, but people who attend this free event can get free lab services. The CHI Memorial Mammography Mobile, both of their mobiles are going to be there. Their lung mobile is going to be there. SIMPA is going to be there doing HIV tests. We have a podiatrist doing foot exams for people who are diabetic.
You got everything from the bottom up,
From
right?
I call it from birth to the grave, from cradle to the grave, and it's all free.
All right, we're going to get to that, more on that in just a second. Ladarius, where does your organization fit into this? Tell me how the two of you, or how your organizations came together and made what's going to be a spectacular event even bigger.
Well, we're really honored to be a vendor for the Minority Health Fair, a simple community care formerly known as Chattanooga Cares. We're all-inclusive HIV clinic, and really we want to, as Chris said, we want to educate people, not only test them at the Minority Health Fair, but really educate them on what HIV looks like, what it looks like in our city as a whole, and just how we can be an asset to the community overall, and bring people up to speed on this.
What does the HIV situation look like in our community now?
One thing that I always like to point out, and like Chris said, it's not just about minorities, but in our city, we're looking at African Americans are about 46, or they make up about 46% of the HIV positive people within our city.
And it's important that everyone get tested for these, and as you said just before we came on the air, Chris, this is not something that's just for the minority community anymore. It's outgrown that, right?
That's correct.
And I don't know how you guys are doing this for free.
Well, we have a whole list of sponsors, so while we say it's free for people to attend.
Right.
But we have some financial sponsors, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Tennessee, Community Trust, Amerigroup, United, Cigna, a host of financial SIMPA that actually give us financial donations, because we're part of the organization that put this on is a 501c3,
Right.
the Southeast Tennessee Health Consortium. So we're able to give this back to the communities for free because we have some very kind sponsors that give financial donations as well as in-kind donations to make this a free event.
And as a result of those sponsorship dollars, you're able to provide even more services than you have in years past. I know we talked about this last year. Adoption and foster parenting, blood assurance will be there. They're doing breast cancer awareness checks that you mentioned. Everything from drug take-backs to depression to flu shots to, everything. It's probably the most comprehensive list of any health fair that I think I've ever seen.
All under one roof.
All under one
And
roof.
it'll start from 9 a.m. and it'll end at 2. And the beauty of it is we'll have entertainment, we'll have free lunches for those people who register.
Right.
And it's been really a big family reunion, but what I like to say is people are really going to the hospital, to the doctor, because all of the services are provided by healthcare professionals right here in our community.
Exactly. Ladarius, another quick question for you. Tell us what your organization is going to be doing. We've only got a few seconds left there. Tell us what you're going to be doing excuse me, at this big health fair that's coming up.
Okay, well, we will be on site. We will be testing individuals totally for free for HIV, and it will be where, you're not going to be out in the open where people can see you and stuff like that, so it will be under a private setting. But we're testing people free, and any questions that they have, any information, we go out and we do a lot of education in churches, schools, and things of that nature. So if people would like us to come out, we're going to be there.
All right, Chris, give us the particulars on this, when and where.
This coming Saturday, August the 18th,
Right.
at Eastgate Town Center from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pre-registration has ended as of yesterday, but we will still have pre-registration on site. I tell people use the entrance right there at Chattanooga College. There's a big stage area. Go through the registration process and take advantage of all of these free services.
Any idea how many have pre-registered so far?
Right now, I think we have a little bit over 700 that have actually pre-registered, and again, a lot of the bulk of the people will actually just walk in and register on site.
God bless you for doing
Thanks
what
a
you're
lot.
doing for our community. It's a wonderful thing. Ladarius, Chris, good to see you both. And again, if you would like more information, you can contact the folks at 504-2750. The number again, 504-2750 or scthc.org. How about an art show? We've got one coming up, or at least details on it, next.